Good afternoon, and welcome to the Ben Franklin Technology Partners of Northeastern Pennsylvania, iXchange 2022. I'm Angelo Valletta, President and CEO. The theme of today's iXchange is Innovators, Past, Present, and Future. Innovation is central to our work here at Ben Franklin, and more we're seeing the importance of innovation to accelerate growth, mitigate the downsides of that growth, and address the crises and to improve the human condition. Innovation and technology also create highly paid family wealth sustaining jobs. This afternoon, we'll present 6 innovation awards. Then we will have live chat rooms during which you can meet and talk with some of our promising portfolio clients and alumni innovation award winners, comprising the Idea Exchange, espoused by Ben Franklin himself, and how iXchange received its name. You'll finish at 5, intrigued and inspired by the innovators who you'll meet this afternoon. Our 3-part mission at Ben Franklin includes developing early-stage technology-based firms through investments, expertise, and networks. We support established manufacturers by funding and linking clients with Pennsylvania's colleges and universities, helping them to compete in the international marketplace through technology. We also promote an innovative community-wide infrastructure that supports high-growth companies through initiatives like our Ben Franklin Business Incubator Network. As we all know, we've had many challenges over the past 2 years. From the outset of COVID pandemic, dozens of Ben Franklin clients applied technology quickly and effectively to address many issues, from biotechnology companies developing vaccines and tests to telemedicine providers facilitating remote medicine to learning platforms allowing instruction at home, and so much more. Our clients are part of an economic solution as well, by creating and retaining good jobs that are the foundation of a robust regional economy. The agility of early-stage technology firms and innovative manufacturers to respond quickly to a crisis or market opportunity is emblematic of Ben Franklin clients. Since beginning operations in 1983, Ben Franklin Northeast PA has typically been among the top 5% of the most active investors in the United States. In 2021 alone, we worked with close to 400 companies and helped clients create or retain over 7,300 jobs in northeastern Pennsylvania. Clients leveraged our funding with an additional $1.7 billion in follow-on funding from angel investors, venture capitalists, and other investors. We at Ben Franklin would like to thank the governor, our lawmakers, and the great state of Pennsylvania for their continued support of Ben Franklin Technology Partners. The budget allocation is critical to us getting back to our previous funding levels and enabling us to make the investments needed to support our growth, provide the services tech-based entrepreneurs and innovative manufacturers need to succeed. Ben Franklin generates $3.90 to $1 return on state investments, providing new state revenue and boosting Pennsylvania's economy. Jobs created by Ben Franklin clients are in industries that pay an average of 52% more than the average non-farm wage in Pennsylvania. The statewide Ben Franklin Technology Partners Network is a worldwide gold standard for excellence in tech-based economic development. We are fortunate to receive the sponsorship of many organizations that allows us to present today's iXchange. Special thanks to Platinum Leadership Circle sponsor Altitude Marketing and Gold sponsor Thrive Media, and to all of our sponsors. Please see their logos on the iXchange website and join me in thanking them. And now it's time to meet this year's winning innovators. Wayne Bars, Ben Franklin's Chief Investment Officer, will introduce our Innovation Awards.
Thank you, Angelo, and welcome to our guests. Tonight, we present our 27th Annual Northeastern Pennsylvania Innovation Awards. These honors are presented to companies or individuals who, through Ben Franklin funding and assistance, have achieved business success, have helped others to achieve success, or who have improved their companies through innovation. The purposes of the Innovation Awards are to congratulate winners on their success and achievement, to highlight the effectiveness of the Ben Franklin program, and to inform entrepreneurs and established manufacturers about the resources that are available to them in northeastern Pennsylvania. Presenting the 6 awards this year will be our Ben Franklin Technology Partners Enterprise Developers. They are our frontline people who identify and work directly with clients to determine their needs, link them with appropriate resources, and, with input from their colleagues, fund them and their work. These individuals are part of the secret sauce that makes Ben Franklin Investments far more comprehensive and impactful than the funding would be alone. Our first presenter this afternoon is Fred Cluck, manager of our Upper Susquehanna region.
The Entrepreneurial Achievement Award recognizes a company that exemplifies the quintessential entrepreneurial spirit, a combination of ingenuity, hard work, and innovation that has resulted in the creation of a successful and growing business venture. This year's winner provides marketing automation and lead management software solutions to multi-location organizations worldwide. Specializing in manufacturing and franchise spaces, the company focuses on helping customers turn more leads into sales while maximizing the consumer experience. Its cloud-based marketing platform enables users to develop lead routing and lead nurturing strategies that bring consistency to the consumer experience. The platform streamlines cumbersome, time-consuming processes with custom pre-programmed automated lead nurturing solutions. This enables enterprises to syndicate lead nurturing and customer engagement across their entire dealer or franchise network. The platform also tightens lead attribution down to the local market and provides roll-up reporting and first-party consumer data throughout the organization. Ben Franklin invested $100,000 in the winner in 2018. Leveraging that investment, the firm raised $1 million in venture capital follow-on funding. The company has increased its revenue year over year and engaged new trusted channel partners. The firm regularly hires graduates from nearby Pennsylvania College of Technology and Lycoming College. Even during the pandemic, this client grew revenue and increased staff last year. Starting with 3 workers, the company now employs 18 and is growing. This year's Entrepreneurial Achievement Award goes to MXTR Automation, Williamsport. Mickey Locey, co-founder, president, and Joe Morrow, co-founder. Mickey Locey will be accepting this award. Congratulations, Mickey.
Thank you, Fred, and thank you, Ben Franklin. It is truly an honor to receive the Entrepreneurial Achievement Award. On behalf of Joe Morrow and the entire MXTR team, we are so very appreciative of the recognition and continued support and commitment that Ben Franklin has given to MXTR over the years. The initial investment from Ben Franklin back in 2018 really set the tone for growth and expansion at our company. The financial commitment enabled us to bring the necessary staff and resources to take our product to market, and it positioned us for our first round of VC funding in 2021. And as I think back about the many conversations we've had with Fred and with Wayne, every conversation has been positive and geared towards moving things forward, which for a startup is so critical. If we needed input on contractual issues, legal concerns, just general guidance or best practices, the Ben Franklin team has always been there. And our most recent conversation was around interns, growing our internship program here at MXTR. And Ben Franklin's relationships have really helped us propel that initiative forward as well. So Ben Franklin, you've been a fantastic partner to us. You've supported us in our vision from the very beginning. And we're just so very thankful and very proud to be part of the Ben Franklin portfolio. So again, a few thank yous we'd like to say for sure to our board of directors here at MXTR, to our friends and family investors who believed in us from the very beginning, our newest partners, Golden Section Ventures, thank you for all that you do. To our customers, we certainly thank you, and we love working together to achieve great things every day. And last but not least, our employees. Without the commitment and dedication of our employees, none of this would be possible. And we sincerely thank you for all that you do every day. So thank you again for the great honor, Ben Franklin. We value the relationship and look forward to many great things to come.
Congratulations, Mickey and Joe. Next up is Anthony Durante, Manager of Entrepreneurial Support.
The R. Chadwick Paul Jr. Incubator Graduate Award is named to honor the work of our retired CEO, whose vision for the creation and expansion of Ben Franklin Tech Ventures was a cornerstone of our business incubation strategy. This award is presented to a company that successfully completed the Ben Franklin Business Incubation Program. The business has skillfully and confidentially navigated the many challenges that a startup faces, from conceptualizing and developing the company's product or service to executing its business plan. This company has clearly demonstrated its ability to operate independently as a successful early-stage venture and has graduated from the incubator. Millions of Americans require specialized and custom manufactured drugs, and the current infrastructure is insufficient to support their therapies. This year's winner manufactures sterile injectable pharmaceuticals used by healthcare providers. In some cases, these specially prepared drugs have been approved by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration as standalone medications. In other instances, these drugs are combined with other approved ingredients in order to avoid allergenic issues for patients, adjust dosages, or change the form of the medication for optimum effect. The company founders fit out their first clean room at Ben Franklin Tech Ventures in 2014. They subsequently received 3 rounds of investment from Ben Franklin totaling $225,000. Upon graduating from the incubator program, they purchased a 41,000 square foot building in Allentown to scale manufacturing operations. Today, this firm is developing an oral COVID-19 vaccine in conjunction with Ben Franklin client VaxForm LLC. This oral vaccine will allow greater worldwide access and has a significantly better post-vaccine experience than current injectable vaccines. This company currently employs 21 people and has plans for additional hiring. The winner of the 2022 R. Chadwick Paul Jr. Incubator Graduate Award is U.S. Specialty Formulations, Allentown, Dr. Kyle Flanigan, founder and chief executive officer, accepting.
Thank you, Anthony. This award serves as a great honor that we at U.S. Specialty Formulations are carrying out our mission in providing state-of-the-art quality processes to pharmaceutical manufacturing and development. At the same time, with the support of Ben Franklin Technology Partners, we have effectively overcome challenges during the development of our game-changing oral COVID vaccine candidate. This candidate can reduce the transmission of COVID virus and provide protection in parts of the world where the vaccine needles are more difficult to store and administer. This will continue to be crucial, especially as we continue to see variants emerging worldwide. Now that our first-in-human clinical safety trials are nearing completion, we are preparing plans for entering our second phase human trials in the US. As we proceed along our regulatory pathway to bring the oral COVID vaccine to market, preliminary data indicates that the vaccine is safe and provides a much more pleasant user experience over the current approved COVID needle vaccines. The clinical trial has proven that our oral platform is safe and it's able to generate the antibodies for whichever virus it's targeted to. This is a huge leap in vaccine technology, and U.S. Specialty Formulations has a large pipeline beyond COVID to address other respiratory diseases and enteric disease, which continue to affect populations globally. So after launching as a startup in 2013 with just $100,000 and locating our first clean room in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania from a kit, we were fortunate enough to receive investments and support from Ben Franklin Technology Partners. This resulted in my co-founder, Dr. Gary Moorfield, and I growing U.S. Specialty Formulations into a successful and still perhaps the smallest biotech pharmaceutical development and manufacturing company today. U.S. Specialty Formulations growth will generate biotech jobs in Lehigh Valley, including those requiring advanced degrees to support our manufacturing and regulatory efforts, as well as construction sector jobs while we expand our Allentown facility and potentially develop other manufacturing sites throughout the Lehigh Valley. I thank Dr. Gary Moorfield for being a true friend and partner in every way possible throughout our journey in building U.S. Specialty Formulations, not only in setting goals, but by thinking outside the box, by taking risks and contributing to us meeting our objectives. I'm also grateful to Ben Franklin Technology Partners for its faith in me and the vision I articulated from the very beginning in 2013, as well as the support it's continuously provided. Ben Franklin has helped us fulfill our mission in revolutionizing the pharmaceutical industry, also in providing us the latitude to pivot our platform into the new oral COVID vaccine that we have developed in conjunction with VaxForm. Again, thank you to the Ben Franklin Technology Partners of Northeastern Pennsylvania for its tremendous honor.
Great work by you and your team, Kyle. Our next enterprise developer is Ken Okrepke, Regional Manager of our Pocono Northeast region, who will present our next award.
The Product Innovation Award goes to a company that demonstrates the commercialization of a unique, innovative product that creatively and effectively meets a market need. Retail paper bags have not been updated in more than 100 years. This year's winner is revolutionizing how paper shopping bags and mailers are manufactured while providing unmatched customization options. The company's new bags offer greater strength, reduce storage space by more than 50%, are more efficient, and produce less carbon emissions to manufacture and use fewer raw materials. And the raw materials are ethically sourced. In 2016, Ben Franklin teamed with the Greater Wyoming Valley Chamber and the Governor's Action Team to attract the winner's founder to start his company in Northeastern Pennsylvania. They were successful. Ben Franklin provided seed funding, which the company leveraged to raise more than $7 million in follow-on funding. And today, the firm occupies 100,000 square feet in Sugar Notch, with plans to double capacity over the next 2 years. The firm employs 46 Pennsylvanians and has a customer roster including Walmart, Amazon, GoPuff, and Eataly. This year's winner of the Product Innovation Award is American Paper Bag, Sugar Notch, Pennsylvania, Ian Robson accepting.
First, let me say thank you to the Ben Franklin Technology Partners of Northeastern Pennsylvania for selecting American Paper Bag as the 2022 Product Innovation Award recipient. On behalf of our CEO, Ryan Hollis, and our team of 46 employees, we are honored to accept this award and be chosen as one of the most innovative companies in Northeast Pennsylvania. Headquartered in Sugar Notch, just outside of Wilkes-Barre, we are a privately owned company founded in 2016. American Paper Bag is one of the greenest and most energy-efficient bag manufacturers in the world. With on-site print capabilities and a nearly endless set of customizable options, from handles to mailers, our customers, many of which are the leaders in their industries, now have the ability to use 100% recyclable paper bags while fully enhancing their corporate image. We are often called the Tesla of paper bag manufacturers. Having produced more than 100 million paper bags, we wouldn't be located in Northeastern Pennsylvania if it weren't for our first investor, the Ben Franklin Technology Partners. They believed in us from the start. Their investment and collaborative efforts with the Wyoming Valley Chamber of Commerce and the Governor's Action Team ensured that we had the resources we needed to launch and build our facilities in the community and to create jobs here. Thank you to Ken Okrepke, who has been by our side from day one when this was only an idea, and who continues to identify resources to help us meet our growing growth strategies. Within a 24-hour delivery time of our headquarters, more than 96 million consumers are located. Our centralized location, the Ben Franklin team, and the entire Northeastern Pennsylvania entrepreneurial ecosystem continue to support our aggressive growth. Product innovation is what has set American Paper Bag apart from the beginning, so we couldn't be more pleased to be recognized by the Ben Franklin Technology Partners, Northeast Pennsylvania, with the Product Innovation Award. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, Ian. Presenting next is Doug Engler, Regional Manager of the Lehigh Valley.
The Innovative Application of Technology Award recognizes a Ben Franklin client that strongly demonstrates a break-the-mold approach to integrating new or existing technology into business. This year's winner distinguishes itself by manufacturing offset and flexographic press room chemistry products that are both environmentally sensitive and cost competitive. The company is recognized as an industry leader in supplying printers with press room chemistry aimed at increasing worker safety, improving the printing process, and being environmentally compliant. low emission washes to world-class fountain solution technology, the company manufactures a complete line to meet multiple printing requirements. Ben Franklin has invested 4 times in the firm to select and implement an enterprise resource planning system in partnership with Lehigh University's Enterprise System Center and the Center for Supply Chain Research. The ERP system allowed the company to improve its manufacturing process and data and information flow, reduce manufacturing costs, enhance customer services and sales process to better serve clients and attract new ones worldwide. Further, the ERP improvements help the company add new offerings to its product line and facilitate growth. This year's winner for the Innovative Application of Technology Award is Tower Products, Inc., Easton, Rick Principato, CEO.
On behalf of our entire company, I would like to thank the Ben Franklin Technology Partners for this award. I accept this for our team members who put in thousands of hours to achieve the success that we have today as a company in implementing our new advanced enterprise resource planning system. I also want to thank Doug Engler for working with us and recognizing us in this category. As a manufacturer, we are obsessed with innovation. And in this case, we really did break the mold in implementing our new ERP system. What we have been able to accomplish since the implementation has been nothing short of amazing. We want to also thank another partner, ESPI, which helped us to investigate, select, and design our system in coordination with Ben Franklin's team. Tower Products is a manufacturer of specialty chemical products for the printing industry. Our technologically advanced formulas power some of the world's best-known commercial, publication, and packaging printers. Our company has a global footprint, and in many ways, our new ERP system has helped accelerate our growth in this area. By using this innovative application and technology in our company, Tower is now able to have transparency in supply chain, formulation development, and cost metrics like we've never had before. This has led us to manage and grow our business better and more profitably, and has helped us to fuel an expansion in other areas of print chemistry that we couldn't even think about 3 years ago. To the Ben Franklin Technology Partners, thank you for investing in our growth and our future. We really appreciate your confidence in us.
Well done, Rick. Ken Okrepke is up again to present the Manufacturing Achievement Award.
The Manufacturing Achievement Award is presented to a company that exemplifies achievement in the manufacturing arena, showing a proven track record of success and an unbending commitment to achieving and maintaining excellence in manufacturing. This year's winner combines the efficient manufacturing of high-quality, innovative products with attention to sustainability and worker safety as a leading manufacturer in the masonry care and repair and wood finishing products industry for commercial and residential applications. All of the firm's products meet or go beyond green standards by exceeding VOC requirements, featuring low odor and water-based cleanup formulas, and reducing and recycling waste, among others. Its product development team weighs human health and environmental impact heavily in new formulations. The winner's brand of products includes Drylock, America's #1 selling masonry paint, and Czar stains and finishes for interior and exterior wood care. All are high performing and popular among both professionals and do-it-yourselfers. During the pandemic, the dramatic increase in home improvement projects substantially increased demand at this manufacturer, while COVID concurrently created worker shortages. With the support of 2 Ben Franklin investments in partnership with Wilkes University and astute execution by company leadership, the 140 employee firm successfully managed the challenge. The 2022 Manufacturing Achievement Award winner is United Gilsonite Laboratories, Dunmore, Pennsylvania. Dave Jolie, Vice President of Manufacturing and Distribution, accepting.
First, let me say thank you to Ben Franklin Technology Partners for selecting United Gilsonite Labs as the 2022 iXchange Manufacturing Achievement Innovation Award recipient. On behalf of our CEO, Jim Tates, and our 150 employees worldwide, we accept this award with great pride. It is humbling to be chosen as one of the most remarkable manufacturing companies in Northeast Pennsylvania. Headquartered in Dunmore, just outside of Scranton, we're a family company dating back to 1932. UGL is a specialty paint and coatings manufacturer providing quality products for the pro and do-it-yourself markets. You may know us better by our industry-leading brands, Drylock Masonry Waterproofers and Czar Stains and Varnishes. Like all of Ben Franklin's clients, UGL competes through innovation. Building on our bootstrap beginnings, we've spent decades creating and reimagining home improvement products to deliver quality, performance, and results that have earned us the loyalty of generations of homeowners and DIY enthusiasts. I'd like to thank Ken O'Creppy for bringing us the resources that helped us formalize and standardize many of our manufacturing processes. I would also like to thank those folks who work side by side with our team, including Vince Cimarelli, Ali Cimarelli, and Vinay Vandy, and the experts at Wilkes University. Our two Ben Franklin projects took place both pre-COVID and during COVID. As a result of these projects, UGL is positioned to be a much stronger manufacturing company in a post-COVID environment. Once again, on behalf of the 150 UGL employees, thank you to the team at Ben Franklin Technology Partners of Northeast Pennsylvania for recognizing UGL with this prestigious award.
Congratulations, David. Our last award will be presented by Connie Failer, Regional Manager of our Reading and Greater Berks area. And after more than 30 years of outstanding contributions to Ben Franklin Technology Partners, Connie will be retiring at the end of June. On behalf of Ben Franklin and the hundreds of clients that she advised and supported, our sincere thanks and best wishes to you. And congratulations to her successor, Kimberly Valentis, who will take over for Connie after being promoted from her role as Client Services Specialist. Connie, take it away.
Thanks, Wayne. It's been my honor and professional privilege to work for the Ben Franklin Technology Partners in support of the Greater Reading and Schuylkill County region. I'll treasure our collective accomplishments and the professional relationships I experienced, one of which is with today's winner. In every aspect of his 18-year relationship with Ben Franklin, this winner has been a productive, ardent, and generous resource. He has served on the Ben Franklin board since 2003 and helped form, host, and present to Ben Franklin's Greater Reading Medical Device Group, which seeks to build a synergy in Berks County to grow this lucrative sector. With both entrepreneurial and corporate experience, this individual brings deep experience in medical devices and biotechnology, having led Surgical Specialties Corporation and Adhezion Biomedical, both of Reading. He selflessly volunteers his time, energy, and expertise to advise and guide Ben Franklin clients and other entrepreneurs, and supports Ben Franklin's due diligence with prospective clients. He has served on the boards of Tower Health and the Greater Reading Chamber Alliance, and on a variety of boards and committees with Alvernia, Albright, and Penn State universities. A selfless leader in the Berks County innovation ecosystem, this winner demonstrates a sincere desire to see the region thrive and continuously embodies the spirit of partnership. The winner of the 2022 Frederick J. Beste III Partnership Award is Pete Molinaro, CEO and Chairman, Adhezion Biomedical. Congratulations, Pete.
Thanks, Connie. Likewise, it's an honor and privilege to serve on Ben Franklin's board and to work with you, Wayne, and others on the Greater Berks Medical Device Group. It's equally an honor to be recognized with an award associated with Fred's name. It really means a lot. In the past 18 years, I've had the privilege to participate and watch the value of Ben Franklin in the community. And in many instances, I've actually seen the networking resources and know-how of the Ben Franklin team in transforming out-of-date, inefficient manufacturing processes to state-of-the-art systems. and even dreams into realities. But I would have never had the opportunity to serve with Ben Franklin if it wasn't for my management team. And it's true that a leader is only as good as his team, and mine has been terrific. Over the past 20 years, they've managed growing medical device companies and afforded me the opportunity to serve in the community. But the most important person to recognize is my wife, Susan. For over 30 years, she took care of the really important things in our lives and allowed me the opportunity to grow exciting new medical device companies. So thank you, Wayne, Connie, Angelo, and the entire Ben Franklin family for all you do. And thank you for this recognition. It means a lot.
Thank you, Pete. And congratulations to all of this year's Ben Franklin Innovation Award winners. Your collective accomplishments have improved Northeastern Pennsylvania and have had worldwide impact. And now I'll introduce Laura Epler, Ben Franklin's Chief Marketing Officer, who has a couple of announcements and will introduce our chat rooms.
Thank you, Wayne, and congratulations, winners. If you'd like to read more about Ben Franklin's work supporting client companies and the regional economy throughout our 21 county service area, I encourage you to read our latest annual report. It's available on our website, or if you didn't receive one by mail, you can also request a printed version by emailing us. You're also invited to our first ever virtual tour of Ben Franklin Tech Ventures. Over the pandemic, we learned that presenting our business incubator via Zoom gives many more people, some of whom are far away, the opportunity to see and learn about what makes Tech Ventures a 2-time International Incubator of the Year award winner. We're presenting it as a virtual brown bag lunch at 12:15 p.m. on Tuesday, May 31st. Please sign up for the tour online. We'll email you those links tomorrow. Now I'll introduce the chat room hosts for our 4 breakout rooms. I encourage you to take this chance to talk with one or more of these Ben Franklin client innovators. And as a fun bonus, at 5:00 p.m., we'll randomly select a participating guest for a $50 Amazon gift card. So stay on until quitting time. Our first host is Jeff Teschke, 2019 winner of the R. Chadwick Paul Jr. Incubator Graduate Award. Jeff is founder and CEO of Forge 3 Bethlehem. Forge 3 offers the insurance industry's leading website and digital marketing platform, powered by Active Agency. This powerful, cost-effective platform enables independent insurance agencies around the world to educate, sell, and service clients in today's always connected world. Forge 3 launched at Ben Franklin Tech Ventures, participated in a Ben Franklin Tiger session, and moved on to great success. Ben Franklin's new Greater Reading Berks regional manager, Kimberly Valentis, will host Jeff. Led by George Boyajian, CEO, and David Schmidt, CFO, Muscle Polymers, located in Ben Franklin Tech Ventures, Bethlehem, won the 2021 Ben Franklin Venture Idol. The firm is commercializing safe, effective adhesives and systems that enable underwater and wet bonding with breakthrough products under development in the marine and dental industries. The technology mimics the chemistry used by mussels to attach to marine substrates. Merging this natural adhesion with industrial techniques creates strong biomimetic adhesives that are effective in wet and dry conditions and are non-toxic while being cost competitive. Ben Franklin, Manager of Entrepreneurial Support, Anthony Durante, will host George's chat room. A third chat room will be presented by Chris Cizelka, CEO, and Tony Powell, CTO of Orbweaver Sourcing, Bethlehem, 2018 winner of the R. Chadwick Paul Jr. Incubator Graduate Award. Orbweaver provides real-time supply chain integration solutions for the electronics manufacturing industry, as well as business workflow automation and data analytics solutions. Orb Weaver's suite of products and services empowers distributors, manufacturers, and contract manufacturers to instantly and securely transfer and use critical supply chain data, resulting in dramatic increases in efficiency, reductions in cost, and improvements in customer service. Ben Franklin Chief Investment Officer Wayne Bars will host Chris. And last, but certainly not least, our fourth chat room host is Jennifer Ciaramboli, founder of Studio B Mindfulness, Wilkes-Barre. Studio B leverages a web interface to utilize scientifically proven mindfulness techniques to empower employees to increase productivity, reduce stress, improve interpersonal communication, and strengthen resilience. The company aims to be its corporate clients' private and secure end-to-end employee well-being platform, integrating Studio B content with each client's current wellness programming. Studio B also serves consumers with its proprietary solutions. Ben Franklin Pocono Northeast Regional Manager Ken Okrepke will host Jennifer. See you in the chat rooms.